Welcome back to Curiosity Craze. We love seeing our favorite actors on screen, but what happens when the cameras stop rolling? Many Hollywood icons don't just act, they have incredible side careers that might surprise you. Today, we're diving into 10 actors and actresses whose other lives are just as fascinating as their on-screen roles. Number 10. Jessica Alba, entrepreneur. Jessica Alba isn't just a movie star. She co-founded The Honest Company, a billion-dollar brand selling eco-friendly household and baby products. Her passion for safer consumer goods turned her from actress to business mogul. Number 9. Ashton Kutcher, tech investor. While known for comedy roles, Ashton has a serious reputation in Silicon Valley. He invested early in companies like Airbnb, Uber, and Spotify. He co-founded a venture capital firm and speaks at tech conferences as much as at movie premieres. Number 8. Natalie Portman, academic author. Natalie graduated from Harvard with a degree in psychology and has published scientific papers. She also co-founded a production company focusing on socially conscious films. Her intellectual side career proves you can be both a scholar and a star. Number 7. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, fitness entrepreneur. Most people know him for action movies, but he has built an entire fitness and lifestyle empire. From his energy drink brand, to a tequila label, to motivational media projects, The Rock has turned his persona into multiple businesses. Number 6. Reese Witherspoon, media producer. Reese founded Hello Sunshine, a media company dedicated to female-driven stories. It produces books, TV shows, and podcasts. Her side career helped change the landscape for women's storytelling in Hollywood. Number 5. Arnold Schwarzenegger, politician and author. We all remember him as the Terminator, but Arnold served 2 terms as governor of California. He's also written several books on fitness and leadership. His second career was literally running the world's 5th largest economy. Number 4. Gwyneth Paltrow, wellness entrepreneur. Gwyneth launched Goop, a lifestyle and wellness brand that became a cultural phenomenon. Beyond acting, she curates products, hosts events, and writes. Her side career has sparked both admiration and controversy, and it's massive. Number 3. Paul Newman, philanthropic food mogul. The late Paul Newman co-founded Newman's Own, a food company whose profits go entirely to charity. Salad dressing became a vehicle for raising hundreds of millions of dollars for good causes. It's one of the most successful celebrity-founded philanthropic ventures ever. Number 2. Dan Aykroyd, paranormal enthusiast and distiller. The Ghostbusters star isn't just playing with ghosts on screen. He's a genuine paranormal buff and co-founded Crystal Head Vodka, famous for its skull-shaped bottles. His hobbies turned into a profitable and quirky business. Number 1. Emma Watson, activist and UN Goodwill Ambassador. Best known as Hermione from Harry Potter, Emma has built a powerful career as a women's rights activist. She helped launch the UN's He for She campaign and sits on sustainability and fashion councils. Her activism has become as big a stage as any movie set. And there you have it, 10 Hollywood icons whose fascinating side careers show they're more than just actors. Which of these surprised you most? Tell us in the comments below.